everyone, welcome back to this new video, and this is a DIY handmade paper video. So I made these cute little teeny tiny handmade papers right from scratch. I recycled them from an old notebook and I managed to make some round handmade paper. So this was the first piece that I made, but it was a complete flop, but still I managed to make it as a rectangle paper. And I made this yellow one from turmeric powder, and I made this slight orangish, but it's not that visible, it's really looking like a fade one, but still I used red chili powder for this paper, and all the remaining ones are normal without any colors. So I started from a flop one and managed to make a perfect, at least somewhat okay-ish round handmade paper. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of making handmade papers right from scratch and also share my experiences.
The things you need: an old notebook, scissors, and a bowl of water. First, tear some pages from the note and cut them into tiny pieces. Put them in the bowl and let them soak in water for an entire night, or at least 8 to 10 hours. I left this bowl for almost a whole night. The papers are soaked well now. I'm going to grind them into a thick paste now. The paste is ready. Now I am taking a spoon of this paste in another bowl and adding some water to it. Mixing it well so that there won't be any clogs. And oh, did I forget to tell you about the siever? This is how we are going to make the paper. Keep a large sized bowl and on top of it place the siever. Pour the puree to the siever so that the water is drained and the paste is on top of the siever. Take an old cloth that is soft and press it like a baby. And again take another towel in which we are going to make it to dry. Gently tap on the siever and the paper falls onto the cloth. But mine was a flop at the beginning. I still tried some more, adding turmeric powder to make it as yellow color and then chili powder to make it as slight orange, and did around 5 to 6 papers. Keep it in direct sunlight or indirect sunlight for one day, and the papers are ready to use. Ta-da! These are beautiful and they came out really well, and stay tuned for another video in which I'm gonna test them. Until then, it's Shri signing off. Bye bye.